Time check.
2:56 a.m.
Sana oras yung fun run?
3.
Ayos! Ayaw!
Buhay ng Ano oras humiga?
12.
Niloko pa natin sarili natin.
Sabi ko pa naman, ay maaga ako nakarating. Maaga tayo makakatulog. Eh, nagkwentuhan. Bugs! Eh, naligo pa. Bugs! Ano oras humiga? Bugs! Alas 12. Ano oras pumikit? Alauna!
Ano oras gumising?
Alas 2. Ay, naku.
Buhay na.
Tarot.
Garden?
Okay, guys. We're going to
Manila Ocean Park at 3 a.m. Papanoorin ng mga fish.
Bakit Manila Ocean Park?
Doon daw mag-jeep. Sabi.
Sabi na ng bus yun.
Si Sir Josh, hindi naman boss yun.
Bossing lang.
Yes. Bossing lang. Sino
Ay,
nagising?
nag-grab kami.
Sino nagising ng 2:30 ba yun? 2 o'clock pala.
Kala.
Ako
Alarm
pala,
ko manok
natulog
eh.
pa. Hindi ko nga alam kung alarm mo na yun. O
Alarm
yung
ko.
sa side ni Chris. Yung cellphone.
Ayun na yan.
Ito ba?
Ayun na yan.
NIG.
Oo nga, yun na.
Ano, hindi natin sa water park.
Voice are clear and resonant on their heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contribution.
To the starting line, our countdown is about to begin. By the way, this is for the 10K run. So everyone that's part of the Department of Tourism of the Republic of the Philippines is here. She is so beautiful. Hello, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. Hello.
Christina Bermina.
Tagot ka kasi. Tagot ka kasi.
So ayan, Anytime Fitness, come on over. Turuan na po natin sila kung paano ba ang run na ito. Anytime Fitness, let's go! Ayan mga pogi, pwesto na daw.
Okay, let's go for our another dynamic and explosive warm-up for 3K runners. Okay, ready? Hello, hello. Okay, let's start. Okay, 3K runners. Hamstring sweeps. Let's do this. 10 reps each side. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. And 2.
sign is on your right. That's how you can finish your 3-kilometer run. I know this is competitive run because we will be awarded. 5, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Fun walk po. Fun walk, hindi fun run. Hindi ka agad gawin. Ganito na ba pag hindi sabi ko athlete ako. Pero wala. Kulang talaga. Run, tatabak, run. True. Yes. Luneta Park. Luneta Park. Kasi andun yung beauty na nilagyan pa nila ng pader doon, diba? Ow. Wait ba?
Tapos na kami! We are music by The Grill!
Buka talaga.